We're doing an interior kit from Tesla Model X RGB kit. So this is pretty cool. Basically what this is going to end up being is we're replacing the chrome trim pieces inside the interior of the Model X with these custom plastic strips that have built-in RGB lights, so you can change the colors of it.
Dash ones and the door ones. Yeah, so it's just the trim pieces.
This is our first time installing this kit. We're not really sure how the quality is going to be. It's going to be interesting for us. Typically these kits aren't that great, but maybe this one will prove us wrong. In case you guys want the same kit, here's the box. This is the brand, I guess.
Ta-da! This is why you go to Tesla Proof Center, guys, so we don't break your clips, huh? Yeah, imagine I did break it. If we did break it, we wouldn't have used that video, that clip, right?
Right.
Simple.
Right.
Yeah, I mean, it's a simple solution. Anyway.
Yeah. Are you using it?
I am.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at that, dude.
Dude. I think it is bright.
Yeah, it's bright.
$130. Wow.
I think that's practically already paid for itself. Yeah. Just off this job, huh? No, basically we're working for free for this job.
Yeah, probably. It's off! Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I can turn it off? Yeah, it is on 100%. So it only goes...
It looks brighter now though. At least in the green it looks brighter.
Right. And red is probably brighter too.
Yeah, that looks brighter.
This one's dim though.
Oh, that one is dim.
I don't know why it is.
It's a lot brighter. So a few things. It's nice. It's one of the nicer RGB kits we've seen in terms of finish, since you're actually replacing trim pieces, so it looks OEM. It's not that easy to install, as you can see, since you have to remove trim panels, which can break, and do some wiring and even hot gluing. Any decent shop should be able to handle it for you. Lights are cool. It's pretty much what you want and expect from a kit like this. You have an app to control a bunch of different colors, different effects, different patterns you can choose from to suit your style. Pretty standard and what you've come to expect with RGB lighting. Only problem I ran into, as you can see, is that one of the trim pieces for some reason was a lot dimmer than the rest. Tried adjusting it, but it didn't change, so it seems like it may have come that way from factory. Not too surprising considering what I said earlier in this video. RGB kits for cars are typically finicky and always have this hit or miss reputation. But if you're interested in this kit, then check it out. Maybe you won't have that bad of luck and your trim pieces will all be the same brightness. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.